Looking for a wireless keyboard that just works, right out of the box? Imagine plugging in a tiny USB receiver and instantly typing from up to 30 feet away, no driver installs needed. That's the kind of seamless connectivity this keyboard delivers, making your setup faster and hassle-free. I've been using this keyboard daily since March 2020, and it's held up impressively. From accidental spills of every kind to heavy use on my lap, it's still going strong. The rainbow backlighting adds a cool vibe to my workspace, switching between static and breathing modes, or turning off completely when I want to focus. The keys have a short travel distance, which means typing feels smooth and effortless. Plus, the wireless transmitter is so responsive, it rivals any wired keyboard I've tried. Durability is no afterthought here. The frame is built from tough ABS plastic, and the keycaps have a special coating to resist wear for years. The company backs this with a solid 5-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, so you're covered long-term. If you want a keyboard that combines style, performance, and reliability, this one's worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your typing experience.